Yo, so I just want to insert this real quick. So, these reviews that I do, I actually do have these credit cards. So I review these cards based off of experience. So if there is a case where I'm reviewing a product that I don't have, or that I'm not a member of the community or anything like that, then I definitely gonna let you guys know. So with my channel, I try to be transparent. But yeah, you know, this proof in the pudding. This is not one of those fake, don't fake paper offers, you know, with the code on there. But yeah, this is a real card. So I just wanted you guys to know that you know, we want to build transparency. And the purpose of me doing these videos is to actually bring awareness as far as these companies. So maybe, you know, if there's a lot of things that people hate about a certain product, they would actually improve their products. You know, we are in the age of awareness, an age of information age. So, you know, things spread faster. So feel free to comment. Feel free to comment because you can help out the next person before they apply. So based off your comments and you know, based off your comments, they can look at them and kind of make their own judgment or own call. But the comments do help because you will learn certain things that the company wouldn't tell you. Like, you learn from first-hand experience from the users. So like I said, I appreciate everybody, and we gonna keep doing this. We gonna scale up to the next level. I do apologize I haven't been on here as much as I should, but you know, just know your boy is coming. Really Rezily. Cheer.